Hi, I am R.Revathi, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SNS College of Engineering. In this Measurement and Instrumentation lecture series video, today's topic is about ADC, which is the analog to digital converters. Definition: what is analog to digital converters? Analog to digital converters is an electronic process which is continuously a variable or analog signal is changed into a multi-level digital signals. Basically, a digital signals carry zeros and one, which is true and false statement. In analog to digital conversion, it is a continuous variable or analog signal is changed into a multi-level digital signal. Analog signals. An analog to digital converter allow microprocessor controlled circuits, Arduino's, Raspberry Pi and other such digital logic circuits to communicate with the real world. In the real world, analog signals have continuously changing values, which comes from various sources and sensors, which can measure sound, light, temperature or movement, and many digital systems interact with their environment by measuring the analog signals from such transducers. The next topic is while analog to digital converter. While analog signals can be continuous and provide an infinite number different voltage values, digital circuits on the other hand with binary signal which have only two discrete states, a logic 1 high or a logic 0 low. So it is necessary to have an electronic circuits which can convert between the two different domains of continuously changing analog signals and discrete signals, and this is where analog to digital converters comes in. An example for analog to digital converters. For example, a 4-bit ADC which is means analog to digital converter, will have a resolution of 1 part in 15, 2 power 4 minus 1. Whereas an 8-bit ADC will have a resolution of 1 part is 255, 2 power 8 minus 1. Thus, an analog to digital converters takes an unknown continuous analog signals and converts it into a n bit binary numbers of 2 power n bits. Working of a converters. Working of analog converters. What does ADC converters do? What is the main function of an ADC converter? An 8 signal analog to digital converters. An analog to digital converter ADC is used to convert an analog signal such as voltage to a digital form so that it can be read and processed by a microcontroller. Most microcontrollers nowadays have built-in ADC converters. The next slide deals with some of the examples of ADC applications. Microphones, strain gauge, thermocouple, voltmeters and digital multimeters are some of the example of A by D applications, converters. Where going with microphones takes your voice varying pressure waves in the air and convert them into varying electrical signals. In coming to the strain gauges, determine the amount of strain change in dimension when a stress is applied. Thermocouple, temperature measuring device, converts thermal energy to electric energy. Just what does an ADC converter do? Quantizing and encoding. What is quantizing? The basic definition of quantizing is breaking down analog value is a set of finite states, where encoding is assigning a digital word or number to each state and matching it to the input signal. Assessment. The throughput of a flash ADC is measured in. A digital voltmeter uses the most common ADC analog to digital converter seen in telecommunications based on audio signals is In a binary weighted DAC, the lowest value resistor corresponds to the last question is the resolution of a 12-bit analog to digital converter is percent is. Guess the answer and comment in the comment section. Analog to digital conversion, a types of a two-step process. Quantizing and encoding are the main two-step process in a analog to digital conversion. Types, the main types of ADC converters are, observe that in the figure, an analog to digital converter consists of single analog input and many binary output. In general, the number of binary outputs of ADC will be a power of 2. There are two types of ADCs. One is direct type ADC and another one is indirect type ADC. Application of ADC. Some of the basic application of ADC where the ADC is used is a variety of applications of ADCs are measurement and control systems, instrumental transformer or industrial instrumentation, communication systems, and all other sensory based systems. Classification of ADC based on factors like performance, build rate, power, cost, etc. Accuracy of ADC conversion. There are two ways to best improve accuracy of A bar D conversion. Increasing the resolution, which improves the accuracy in measuring the amplitude of the analog signal. Increasing the sampling rate, which increase the maximum frequency that can be measured. Thank you.